Hi guys, welcome to Book Cooking, a cooking show that takes on the fun world of cookbooks. What does every movie night need? In my house, it's popcorn. So with the help of my peanut butter cookbook, we're gonna take popcorn to the next level and make peanut butter popcorn.
In a small saucepan, you're going to add 1 cup of sugar, a half cup of honey, if I can get it out of the bowl, and a half cup of corn syrup. Bring mixture to the stove and set to medium heat. Mix well and stir occasionally until mix begins to boil. Once your mixture has reached boiling point, you're going to keep boiling it for 2 minutes. While your mixture is boiling, go ahead and grab your popcorn and put it in the microwave for the instructed amount of time. Open your bag of popcorn and dump out onto a baking sheet that is covered in a parchment paper. Don't forget to keep stirring so your mixture does not burn. After your mixture has boiled for 2 minutes, you're going to take it off the heat and add 1 cup of peanut butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Stir ingredients until completely combined. This may take up to a minute. Give it one more good stir, then pour peanut butter mixture on popcorn as evenly as possible. This is the part of the recipe that I would like to improve. Please comment if you have any ideas. Preheat oven to 200 degrees and pop popcorn pan into oven and bake for 30 minutes. You are looking for the peanut butter mixture to form a semi-hard shell around the popcorn.
So the last thing that I like to do is I like to add just a little bit of the flaky salt on top just to be a little fancy. You can feel free to skip this if you'd like. So the taste is good, the peanut butter sauce is nice and light, and overall it has a great sweet yet salty taste to each bite. I do wish that I could find a better method for coating the popcorn. You find these giant hunks in here which are entirely too big and you want something a little bit smaller. So please comment below if you have a better method of coating popcorn when it comes to desserty kind of coatings. With that being said, please like and subscribe as well. And it's time for a movie. So I will see you next time on Book Cooking. See you later. Bye.